3,000 Naga boys and girls studying or working in Delhi trooped into the national capital's sprawling Ambedkar Stadium with suitcases and backpacks early morning on Sunday, the 14th of June, eager to take the facility of free passage back to their home state provided by the state government of Nagaland with active help from Delhi government and the Ministry of Railways.
एक्चुअली मैं IAS भी रहा हूँ, UPSC कोचिंग ले रहा था, लेकिन लॉकडाउन की वजह से क्लास शटडाउन हो गया था, इसलिए क्लास में दिल्ली में बैठा था, लेकिन अभी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस चालू हो रहा है, इसलिए घर जा रहा हूँ, तो अभी उसके बाद क्लास शुरू होने से वापस आ सकता है, और अभी तो क्लास में घर में से क्लास लेगा.
Today we have returnees from Delhi going back to our home state Nagaland. So we have about 1,000 plus returnees. The train has been state sponsored by the Delhi government but has been arranged by Nagaland government. And for the past 3 months, the Nagaland government has helped the returnees or like the standard citizens in Delhi by providing 10,000 rupees, right, per individual in case they decide to stay back. And in addition to that, there has been medical assistance like around 20,000 for patients that are undergoing treatment at various hospitals in the city. And in addition to that, the government has also presented around 3,000 for working students and individuals that are stranded in the city have been stranded for the city for the past 3 months.
And those who are going down today for the Shramik train, also the government of Nagaland has made all the payments. As of today, we have the medical team under Nagaland House also, led by Dr. Hantok. And the medical team has given assistance to almost 75 patients till date since the start of the lockdown. A number of patients, most of the patients have already gone back home by the flights and the Rajdhani special trains.
At the Ambedkar Stadium, the Naga people desiring to return were first registered, their identity proofs were checked. Thereafter, medical screening was carried out with digital thermometer and other checks by a team sent by Delhi government, NDMC and Nagaland House so as to ensure that no infected person boards the train, putting all at risk.
जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं, सारे के सारे स्टूडेंट्स की हम स्क्रीनिंग कर रहे हैं. यहाँ दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट के स्टाफ भी है, एनडीएमसी के स्टाफ भी है. स्क्रीनिंग प्रोसीजर में हम लोग ये देखना चाह रहे हैं कि यहाँ पे सबका टेम्परेचर जो वो सही रहे, ताकि यहाँ से कोई भी इन्फेक्टेड या सस्पेक्टेड केसेस ना जा पाए. और साथ में हम थोड़ा देखते हैं कि जनरल कंडीशन की उनका सब ठीक ठाक हो.
Water, snacks and kits with masks, sanitizer, etc. were provided to all. The distributing teams were aided by Delhi Police's Pune unit. After the distribution of snacks, registration and health checks, the returnees were provided vegetarian lunch at the stadium itself. Teams of Delhi Police distributed this lunch, which was provided by a local Delhi Gurudwara at the behest of Delhi government as a goodwill gesture to the Nagas. After lunch, the Nagas desirous to return by the special Shramik train were transported to the old Delhi railway station by DTC buses specially provided by the Delhi government. The state government of Nagaland too has extended help at various stages of lockdown to the Naga people in other states, including giving financial assistance of Rs 3,000 to students, Rs 4,000 to working professionals, and Rs 10,000 one-time assistance to Naga people who preferred to stay on in the other states. Before boarding the Shramik train at 6 p.m. from the old Delhi railway station, the Nagas expressed gratitude for all the facilities they had received, while elders aired their satisfaction. The train reached Dimapur on the 16th of June.
I also would like to give my special appreciation and thanksgiving to Delhi Police and Helping Hands, No Tears Foundations and BJP party, Congress party, irrespective of different political parties and organization. They have served the Nagas in particular, and the notice engineers. Words alone cannot express how much we are thankful to you. May God bless you all. Thank you.
The whole thing is being managed so nicely by Nagaland House officers, staff, and Delhi police, and the spooner. Everyone have done their duty.